On today's Business Spotlight, we feature ACT360, a well-known web development and IT company that offers a wide range of services, including web development, SEO, IT support, and more. It has been helping numerous businesses in Barrie and Simcoe County to achieve their goals and reach their full potential since its inception in 2009. ACT360 is known for its emphasis on building long-term relationships with its clients. Its team of professionals works closely with each client to understand their specific needs and goals, and they provide customized solutions tailored to their unique requirements. ACT360 has the expertise and resources to help small and large businesses succeed. Its team of professionals is passionate about what they do, and they're committed to delivering exceptional results that exceed client expectations. ACT360 Web I.T is a leading web development provider and IT services in Barrie and Simcoe County. Its years of experience, dedication to excellence, and commitment to building long-term relationships with clients makes it the perfect partner for any business looking to succeed in today's digital age. Contact ACT360 by visiting act360.ca or calling 705-739-2281 to learn how they can help with all your outsourced IT and website services.